In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI with Akave Cloud using MCP. Before we dive in, here's the context. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, lets Claude safely talk to external tools and services. By connecting Claude to Akave Cloud through MCP, you enable Claude to perform actions or fetch data from your Akave environment in a controlled, auditable way. We'll keep this simple and focused, and I'll point out a few tips to avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening the Claude desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen. We'll make all changes from inside the app so the configuration ends up exactly where Claude expects it. Next, click your profile image or avatar in the corner and choose Settings. This is where Claude exposes developer options that control integrations like MCP. In Settings, switch to the Developer section, then click Edit Config. This button opens the configuration file Claude uses on your machine. If your editor doesn't launch right away, give it a moment. Some systems take a second to hand the file off to your default text editor. You should now see a file named Claude Desktop Config.json. This is a plain JSON file, so the formatting matters. Keep the braces, brackets, commas, and quotation marks consistent with standard JSON. If your editor supports JSON syntax highlighting or validation, that can help catch typos quickly. With the file open, add the JSON block provided for the Akave MCP integration along with your Akave credentials. Place it in the appropriate section exactly as instructed, and be careful not to delete or duplicate commas around neighboring entries. If the integration requires an endpoint, project ID, or token, paste those values into the corresponding fields. Consider using environment variables if supported so you don't hard code secrets in plain text. Never share your credentials and avoid committing this file to any source control. When you're done, save the file and return to Claude. That's the entire setup. From this point on, Claude can route requests to Akave through MCP based on the tools you've defined in that JSON block. If something doesn't behave as expected, the most common issues are a malformed JSON structure, a missing comma, or incorrect credential values. Validating the JSON and confirming that your Akave keys are active usually resolves those quickly. You've connected Claude AI with Akave Cloud using MCP, giving your assistant secure, governed access to your cloud resources. Keep your credentials rotated on a schedule, store backups of your config, and you'll have a reliable integration you can build on.